Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to request time off in Paylocity. So if you want to submit a vacation or leave request, then just follow along. First, sign into your Paylocity account and open the time off or time and attendance section. From there, tap or click request time off. Then choose the type of leave you want to use, such as vacation, personal time, or sick leave. Then select the date and, if needed, enter the number of hours. You can also add a note for your manager explaining the request. Then review everything carefully and submit your request. After that, you'll receive a notification once your manager approves or declines it. So that was how to request time off in Paylocity. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.